The state of Maine and the U.S. Department of Agriculture reached a settlement regarding the federal government's freezing of funds over alleged Title IX violations. Earlier this month, U.S. Secretary of Agriculture Brooke Rollins sent a letter to Maine's Governor Janet Mills telling her federal funds for the state of Maine were frozen and under review because of Maine's public school transgender policies. The freeze impacted salaries of state employees who work for school food programs. In order to continue to receive taxpayer dollars from USDA, the state of Maine must demonstrate compliance with Title IX, which protects female student athletes from having to compete with or against or having to appear unclothed before males, Secretary Rollins wrote in the letter. Days later, Maine asked the court to grant a temporary restraining order, arguing, Secretary Rollins' action is blatantly unlawful. She cannot simply decree the freezing of federal funds to which the state of Maine is entitled. Rather, she must follow the requisite procedures, which, among other things, would give the state of Maine the opportunity to refute the Secretary's erroneous claim that Title IX prohibits schools from allowing transgender girls and women from participating on girls' and women's teams. On April 11th, a federal judge ordered the Trump administration to unfreeze the funds. Under the settlement signed Friday, the Trump administration agreed to refrain from freezing or terminating USDA federal funds to the state of Maine, and in return, the state dropped its lawsuit against the federal government. The state of Maine went to court and fought this unlawful attempt to freeze critical funding for our school lunch program, and we won. I applaud the work of Attorney General Frey and his staff in representing the state in this action against USDA and preserving healthy school meals for 172,000 Maine school children, Governor Mills said in a statement. For Straight Arrow News, I'm Lauren Keenan. For more on this story, download the Straight Arrow News app or visit SAN.com.